Hi, today we have a Renault Laguna with a 1.6 petrol engine. I'm going to show you how to change oil and oil filter. I'm going to raise the vehicle because the oil filter can be opened from the lower side of the engine. So now you can see the oil filter. First I'm going to remove the oil filter and after that I'm going to open the plug. I have opened the oil filter. Next I'm going to open the plug. Now the plug on these vehicles is like a square. So I have modified steel bolt and now I'm going to open the plug. I have opened the plug, so now I'm waiting for the oil to drain. While I wait, I can install the new oil filter. Here I have new oil filter that I'm going to install on the vehicle. So now I'm turning clockwise to tighten the filter. I'm tightening by hand as much as I can because when the oil pressure rises it's going to tighten it even more. The oil is drained, so now I'm going to install the plug, tighten it. So now I can lower the vehicle and refill with oil. I have lowered the vehicle, so now I'm going to refill with oil. To refill this engine, this engine requires 4.75 liters of oil with a new oil filter. I have refilled with 4 liters of oil because the owner of this vehicle has bring me only that much of oil. So now if we check on the oil dipstick, we can see the oil is a little lower of the max. The engine is not started yet, so when I start the engine is going to fill the oil filter and it will be requiring more oil. Oops. This vehicle doesn't have a service interval, so we don't have anything to reset. So now I'm going to check the oil level again. I have cleaned the oil dipstick. It's a very big problem, it's down there. And now we can see that is almost half between minimum and maximum. So the owner is going to refill it with a little more oil. This means that I am finished. If you like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and thank you for watching.